Hello, thank you for tuning into another daily recap video. Today was a very interesting day as the market closed down nearly 2%. This is largely due to an ongoing stalemate seen by the stimulus talks between Democrats and Republicans. Nonetheless, we will be taking a look at a variety of stocks and how they are doing. Starting off with SPY on a 1 hour, we can see that this drop has found support in an interesting inflection point that had a lot of volume, which was another large sell-off day before it prompted a rally. There is an interesting gap that is yet to be filled at the 330 area, therefore we should wait until the market decides to either continue its rally, or break this support to fill in the gap at the 330 area. Next we will be taking at Virgin Galactic. SPCE had a drop to the 161.8% from Friday's lows to Friday's heights and found support. This support is also aligned with the support of a couple weeks back when it gapped up and there were a lot of buyers. Therefore, SPCE, if it decides to go lower, which sort of makes sense since we also have another gap area to fill like we just saw with SPY, so if the buyers that stepped up couple weeks back begin to be liquidated, we could start to make the next test of the overarching trend line that is driving SPCE since the March lows, which would provide a good entry for investors for the long term in this great stock. Next, taking a look at AMD. AMD had a good rally which was offset by the unfortunate drop in overall market. Although that happened, the stock finished green for the day. This is largely due to the fact that earnings are tomorrow after hours, and given AMD's domination so far over Intel, and the fact that consoles that are coming out this year are impossible to even pre-order now, indicative of huge success for AMD, which play an integral part into the creation and mechanisms of these highly desirable consoles. Overall, AMD is posed to have a great earnings, so we shall see how AMD reacts. Next, a look at ENPH. Similar to AMD, as they have both made exceptional runs this past year and also has earnings tomorrow. The stock finished green after a rally from the open and it was able to consolidate until it finished green. Tomorrow will be a great day, we believe, for AMD and ENPH as they are set up to blow it out of the park for their earnings, so until then we believe this is a great opportunity to buy either. Lastly, taking a look at Snap. Weekend as Snap sold off from the new highs set today. I do think that the sell-off today alarmed investors because the intraday drop really did catch many by surprise, but the fact that we still made new highs from the open and held a key level from last Friday, we should see a continuation to the upside given the market decides to rally tomorrow. The only concern though is that a head and shoulders formation could be formed if we reject the 43 area and go back down. We could see a complete drop to the 38.9 level, and maybe all the way down to the 36 area. Nonetheless, today was filled with opportunities long and short. Thank you for tuning in today and hope to see you again tomorrow.